Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey through Southeast Asia, a region bursting with flavor, culture, and some of the friendliest people on earth. Get ready to dive into a world of vibrant markets, ancient temples, pristine beaches, and of course, incredible food. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene mountains of Laos, Southeast Asia offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses. We'll be exploring some of the most beautiful and culturally rich destinations in this vibrant region, sharing local insights and hidden gems along the way. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an unforgettable adventure through the heart of Southeast Asia. Touchdown in Bangkok, a city that pulses with energy, a symphony of scents and sounds. The air is thick with the aroma of street food, sizzling woks, and fragrant incense. We'll navigate through the bustling markets, where you can find everything from delicious snacks to intricate handicrafts. The energy is contagious, a whirlwind of activity that never seems to sleep. But Bangkok is also a city of contrasts. Amidst the urban chaos lie serene temples, glittering golden stupas piercing the sky. The gentle chants of monks offer a moment of peace amidst the city's vibrant chaos. And then there's the food. Oh, the food! From steaming bowls of boat noodles to fiery curries, Bangkok is a paradise for food lovers. We'll be diving headfirst into the street food scene, savoring the explosion of flavors that make Thai cuisine so unique. So, come hungry and get ready to be amazed by the sights, sounds, and tastes of Bangkok. Trading the bustling streets of Bangkok for the tranquil charm of Luang Prabang, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled in the heart of Laos. Here, time seems to flow a little slower, the air filled with the sound of chanting monks and the gentle flow of the Mekong River. Imagine waking up before dawn, the air still cool and crisp, to witness the daily almsgiving ceremony. Hundreds of saffron-robed monks walk barefoot, collecting offerings from locals. It's a truly humbling and spiritual experience. We'll explore ancient temples adorned with intricate carvings, their golden roofs shimmering in the sunlight. The scent of incense hangs heavy in the air, creating an atmosphere of serenity and reverence. And for the adventurous souls, a short trek through the lush jungle leads to cascading waterfalls, where you can cool off in the crystal-clear waters. Luang Prabang is a place to reconnect with yourself, to find peace amidst the beauty of nature and the richness of Lao culture. Prepare to be awestruck as we step back in time at Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. This sprawling temple complex in Cambodia is a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, its towering spires and intricate carvings whispering tales of a bygone era. Imagine walking through ancient stone archways, sunlight filtering through the jungle canopy, revealing moss-covered carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. The sheer scale and detail of Angkor Wat are simply breathtaking. We'll explore hidden temples consumed by the jungle, their roots intertwining with ancient stones. Each temple tells a story, a testament to the architectural genius and artistry of the Khmer people. As the sun sets over Angkor Wat, casting long shadows across the ancient stones, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe at the enduring legacy of this incredible civilization. Prepare to be captivated by the ethereal beauty of Ha Long Bay, a breathtaking natural wonder in Vietnam. Imagine thousands of limestone islands rising dramatically from the emerald waters, their peaks shrouded in mist, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. We'll cruise through this magical landscape, the gentle rocking of the boat, and the sound of the waves our only companions. Kayaking through hidden caves, their walls shimmering with bioluminescent plankton, will leave you breathless. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the bay, we'll savor a delicious seafood dinner on the deck of our boat, the fresh ocean air filling our lungs. Ha Long Bay is a place of tranquility and natural splendor, a reminder of the raw beauty of our planet. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds in Penang, Malaysia, a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. This island paradise is a street food lover's dream come true, with aromas of spices and sizzling woks filling the air. We'll wander through bustling hawker centers, where you can sample everything from spicy curries to savory noodles. Penang's multicultural heritage is reflected in its food, a delicious fusion of Malay, Chinese and Indian influences. But Penang is more than just food. We'll explore colorful street art murals, ride traditional trishaws through historic streets, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this cultural gem. Penang is a feast for the senses, a place where you can experience the best of Southeast Asian culture and cuisine in one vibrant package. Prepare to be transported back in time as we explore Bagan, Myanmar, a land of ancient temples and mystical landscapes. Imagine a vast plain stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with thousands of ancient pagodas and stupas, their silhouettes silhouetted against the rising sun. We'll wander through these architectural marvels, some dating back over 1,000 years. The air is filled with a sense of history and spirituality, a testament to the enduring power of faith. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the temple-studded plains, we'll take a hot air balloon ride, floating over this magical landscape, a truly unforgettable experience. Bagan is a place of wonder and awe, a reminder of the rich history and cultural heritage of Myanmar. Welcome to Bali, the island of gods, a paradise of stunning beaches, lush rice terraces, and vibrant culture. Feel the warm sand between your toes as we relax on some of the world's most beautiful beaches. We'll immerse ourselves in Balinese culture, witnessing traditional dances, colorful ceremonies, and intricate offerings placed at temples. The air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of gamelan music. From surfing world-class waves to exploring ancient temples hidden in the jungle, Bali offers something for everyone. We'll hike through verdant rice paddies, learn to surf with friendly locals, and indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Bali is a feast for the senses, a place to reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in spirituality, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Hold on tight as we dive into the energy of Ho Chi Minh City, a city that never sleeps. The streets are a symphony of honking motorbikes, bustling markets, and the aroma of delicious street food. We'll explore the city's fascinating history, from the French colonial era to the Vietnam War. The Chu Chi tunnels offer a glimpse into the resilience and ingenuity of the Vietnamese people during wartime. But Ho Chi Minh City is also a city looking towards the future, with modern skyscrapers rising above the traditional shophouses. We'll sip Vietnamese coffee in rooftop bars, browse trendy boutiques, and experience the city's vibrant nightlife. Ho Chi Minh City is a city of contrasts, a fascinating blend of old and new where history and progress collide. Get ready for adventure and relaxation in Boracay, a tropical paradise in the Philippines. Picture yourself sinking your toes into the powdery white sand of White Beach, consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. We'll soak up the sun, swim in crystal clear turquoise waters, and try our hand at exhilarating water sports like kitesurfing and parasailing. For those seeking a more laid-back experience, there are plenty of opportunities for snorkeling, diving, or simply relaxing on the beach with a refreshing coconut. As the sun sets over the horizon, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors, we'll enjoy a delicious seafood dinner at a beachfront restaurant, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore providing the perfect soundtrack. Boracay is a place to escape, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Our Southeast Asian adventure culminates in Singapore, a dynamic city-state where East meets West. Prepare to be amazed by its futuristic architecture, from the iconic Marina Bay Sands to the gardens by the bay. A futuristic park that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. We'll explore diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Indulge in a culinary journey through hawker centers, savoring Michelin-starred dishes and local delicacies at affordable prices. From shopping on Orchard Road to exploring the Singapore Botanic Gardens, there's something for everyone in this vibrant city. We'll end our journey with a breathtaking view of the city skyline from the Marina Bay Sands observation deck, reflecting on the incredible journey we've shared. Singapore is a city of endless possibilities, a true melting pot of cultures, cuisines, and experiences. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You will find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more travel bargains. I hope you find them useful. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Southeast Asia. We've only just scratched the surface of what this diverse and captivating region has to offer. From ancient temples to bustling cities, pristine beaches to delicious cuisine, Southeast Asia has something for every type of traveler. We hope this video has inspired you to add this amazing region to your travel list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures from around the world. See you in the next video.